Covergirl, Disparate Amelia, back again with another VI haul. I hope you all are having a blessed week and have found multiple things to be grateful for. Welcome back to another Disparate December VI De-OOO. Today's video is going to be all about holiday makeup. So we're talking about for Christmas, we're talking about New Year's Eve. We're going to give you a glittery eyeball, okay, to show off soft features but with a bold eye. That's what I'm trying to go for. As you guys know, I lost my camera. If you haven't seen my first vlog for Disparate December, please check that out. I lost my camera, so I'm filming on my phone. Hopefully the quality is beautiful. This is one of the videos that I was fretting about filming on my phone because apparently front camera you can't zoom in. So when I get to the eyeballs, I'm gonna just have to get real close to y'all. Sorry, y'all had to see all this real close. Then again, you're welcome. Okay, we're just gonna get right into it. So it's actually Christmas Day that I'm filming this, so I got a couple of goodies. My mom was very clutch in knowing that, you know, I like doing makeup, but I don't have all the supplies to do that. So what she did was got me a bunch of beauty blenders. I don't normally like to use beauty blenders because I have very sensitive skin, so I just like to use the one-time use ones. So you just use them, throw them away. That's why you see me with those wedges a lot. We got some beauty blenders, so we're just gonna have to wash these after every use. I'm always scared of like bacteria just staying in there. I don't know, it's just a thing. So we about to use this today for the under eye. We got some brushes with a cute little makeup case. This is a foundation brush and I really like using foundation brushes. And then we also got some gloss. So I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna use to top off one of my favorite combos for this winter. This is also another one of my Christmas gifts. This necklace is like paper clip necklace. That was supposed to kind of be a choker, but it looks cute. Very merry. Let's get into it. I'm gonna have to do this part off camera because, hold on. I only did a small brown liner. All right, moving on. Okay, this is the final look. I know my camera makes it look a little bit weird. That's without the lighting. This is just giving it a little bit of shine so you can see more. It was a lot of trial and error for this. I don't normally do liner, but ow, I did the liner. I know it's a little bit extra, you know, with the hair and everything, but you know, why not be extra? It's Christmas, it's the holidays, it's New Year's. Give it to them while you can. This is my little paperclip necklace. You can see it a little bit better with the turtleneck. Oh, listen, I just took it out the box, so it still has the tag on it. Don't come for me. This is my look. I am obsessed with this. I'm about to wear this for like the next 5 videos. I really love this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope the quality was not too off. Please remember to comment down below. Tell me if you like it or not. I know I put like 5 things on my lips, but I think everything blended and mixed really well. I put the Fenty over it because I did want more of a tinted gloss, and the other gloss was like kind of shimmery. That's what I did with that. Tell me if you like this look down below. Please remember to like the video, okay? Share with everyone you know for this holiday season. If they're looking for a simple natural beat, I'll put everything down below because I didn't really show the products in this video. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? If you're watching, if you love these videos, just go ahead and click that subscription button to get more of your girl Disparate Amelia. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all next time. All right, bye.